Murega muria ahoro eroreri aitu. Nindamwamukira kihingiro-ini giki kia Learning the Kikuyu language with Ruth and MAry. My name is Mary, njitagwo Mary. Ngwihoka nĩ mwaririkana icigo iria twathomire hĩndĩ ĩyo ĩngĩ, icigo iria nyingĩ ihũthagĩrwo kwaria Gĩkũyũ, imwe ciacio. Ũmũthĩ tũkũruta ũhoro wa Mucíí na Ithuĩ. Whom and us, some of the statements or words which are normally used. Twambĩrĩrie. Mucíí na Ithuĩ. Home and us. Nyũmba, that is a house. Nyũmba, a house. Whether one or many, nyũmba is nyũmba. Indo cia nyũmba, those are the house items. Indo cia nyũmba, house items. Metha-inĩ, that is a sitting room. Metha-inĩ or living room. There you find mũgeka. Kũu nĩ kuona kwĩna mũgeka kaingĩ. Normally you have a carpet. Then you have the floor. Then you might have a sofa. Sofa is a sofa, the normal sofa. Sofa. Kamuto, those could be the cushions. Kamuto is one. There are many, you can say tomuto, cushions. Then you have the badia, curtains. Badia, curtains. Normally you'd have, if you have electricity, you have girofu. That is a bulb. Girofu. You might also have a lamp, table lamp, for example. Tawa. Tawa can be any kind of lamp. Can also be the one for who use paraffin. Even that one is also called tawa. Then you have dirisha, window. Dirisha, whether it's one or many, they are called dirisha. Then you might have a painting or something like that. Bisha, a portrait. Even bisha, the plural is the same. Now, the things you normally find in a kitchen, riko is kitchen, where you find thafuria. Those are the cooking pots. Thafuria. You might have a mwiko for maybe cooking ugali. The wood, normally it's wooden spoon. Wooden spoon, mwiko. Maybe if you cook, you weigh the things you are cooking, maybe flour if you want to bake or something like that. You might need a weighing scale, ratiri. Then if making tea, you have geshugi for a sieve, or can also be used for sieving unga. Geshugi. Then you a pan, karai, just call it karai ga kuruga, because you can also have another karai, the one for washing. So this one we call it karai ga kuruga. Then you go to the dining room, room ya kurera. There you find tohio. These are many knives. Tohio, knives. One would be kahio, a knife. Then you have homa. Those are the forks. By the way, homa can also be the one for digging, the one with the teeth. It's also called the homa. Then we have dhani plates. Dhani, whether it's one or many, is dhani. Ishiko, those are spoons, many. If it's one, you say yeshiko. Ishiko, spoons. Ishiko, spoons. And you have giradi, glasses. Giradi also doesn't have plural, it's the same. Giradi, whether one or many. Then you have ikobe. Those are many cups. Ikombe. When it's one, you say ikombe. Then other people normally like putting cloth on the table. You call it itabaya kiameda. Tablecloth. That could be, if it's one, you say itabaya. When there are many, you say itabaya. Then you have bakuri. That is a bowl. Bakuri, whether one or many, is bakuri. Bowl, bakuri. Then we go to the bedroom, nyumba ya gukoma. There we have muregeti, blanket. You have mashuka. Those are many. Sheets. Mashuka, sheets. Then you have the mukodoro. That's a mattress. Mukodoro, mattress. Kamuto, that is a pillow. Kamuto, pillow. Then we go to the bathroom, bafu, bafu, bathroom, where we'll find tauro, tauro, that's a towel. You might also have dawa ya magego, that is a toothpaste. Dawa ya magego, toothpaste. Mukinye, toothbrush. Mukinye, toothbrush. We come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have learned some new vocabularies. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, to like. And please, if you put a comment there, we'll appreciate. Bye bye.